Hi students, today I am going to discuss about testing of prototypes in biomedical system design. Testing of prototypes. Testing definition. Establishing confidence that a device does what it is supposed to do. The process of operating a device with the intent of finding errors. Detecting specification, errors and deviations from the specification. Verifying that a system satisfies its specified requirements or identifying difference between expected and actual results. The process of operating a device or component under specified condition, observing or recording the results, and making an evaluation of some aspects of the system of component. So testing, subjecting a device to conditions that indicate its weakness, behavior, characteristics, and mode of failure. Ultimate goal, satisfied customer. So prototyping of testing. So first problem, next design constraints, then design, test specifications, simulations, test verification, prototyping, test verification, hardware implementation, test verification, and finally the device is completed. So reasons for testing. So basic information includes vendor evaluation, vendor comparison, component limitability. Verification, process of evaluating the products of a given phase to correctness and consistency with respect to the products and standards provided as input to that phase. Validation, process of evaluating a product to ensure compliances with specified and implied requirements. So types of test: verification testing, validation testing, black box testing, white box, hardware testing, and software testing. So functional testing, robustness testing, stress testing, safety testing, regression testing. So first, stress testing. So designed to ascertain how the product reacts to a condition in which the amount or rate of data exceeds the amount or rate expected. Help determine margin of safety that exists, include duration and worst case scenario. So black box testing verifies that the end user requirements are met from the end user's point of view, performed without any knowledge of internal structure. Tester is only interested in finding circumference in which the device or program doesn't behave according to its specification. So usability activities are not technical trials. Generally, the process will be less stringent, more loosely defined, faster, will likely involve a relatively small number of people per activity. Initial studies stress simulation with no medicinal agent or clinical impact. Dovetail with interaction design, visual design, and marketing activities. So human factors should be considered. So understand human factors and its relationship to patient safety. The application of knowledge about human behavior, abilities, and other characteristics of medical devices users to the design of medical devices to demonstrate safe and effective use. Human factor engineers discover and apply information about human behavior, abilities, limitations, and other characteristics to the design of a tool, mission, system, task, jobs, and environment for productive, safe, comfortable, and effective human use. So human factor and product design. So useful, usable, desirable. So meets recognized needs, supports goals, objective, improves the outcome, enhance performance or efficiency, etc. Usable, fit, reach, strength, visible, audible, understandable, informative, learnable, etc. Desirable, pleasure in use, satisfaction with outcome, fit, feel, finish, cultural, social, lifestyle impact, sense of empowerment. So totally the three things will make the successful product. The three focal points: successful products, which connections all level, they are useful, usable, and desirable. So human factor design principles. So psychomotor and input devices, buttons, sensors, vision, hearing, and output of display and sound. So that's the interface between the human and the machine. So why conduct human factor studies? Lower the number of potential use or user errors, reduces the risks associated with the use of the device, lowers the training cost for the end user, reduces the cost, device service and support. Thank you.